Welcome to Mac and Ben's Comedy Show, episode 20. Oh. Yeah. So, this episode is a little random. Ah!
Hey.
Oh, no.
Hey.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Ah! Stop! Stop it! Don't! Ah! Stop!
Don't like tires? Does it make you tired? Are you monkeying around? Can't handle the bounce?
Ah!
Can't build yourself a house?
Ah!
Don't got balls?
Okay, that is it, Mac.
No, can't touch me.
Ah!